What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we are in Leslie's kitchen. If you don't know, Leslie has her own YouTube channel, so if you want to check out her channel, I will leave it in the description below. But today we are baking a fall recipe. What are we making today, Leslie?
Pumpkin protein chocolate chip muffins.
Okay, so the ingredients we'll be using are gluten-free oats, vanilla protein powder, baking soda, baking powder, sea salt, pumpkin spice seasoning, canned pumpkin, eggs, vanilla extract, maple syrup, coconut oil, dark chocolate chips, and these cute little cupcake liners.
So first we're going to make our oat flour in our hearty ninja.
So we have a cup and a half of oats.
Right here. Pop this in.
So we made our flour base from oats, and now we'll add that to our mixing bowl. Yeah.
And next up, we're going to just finish putting all the other ingredients in. First, we're gonna put dry ingredients, and then eventually we're gonna build our mush.
So we have a half a cup of protein powder, our baking soda, baking powder, and sea salt in this little concoction cup. Our pumpkin pie seasoning. We're gonna just mix it up together, and then we're gonna add the wet ingredients. That's what she said.
I know, doesn't it sound? It's moist.
It's moist.
Smells good. Smells fall-like.
Does it really?
Oh,
you know, that smells so good.
It just doesn't look like it, but it smells like it. I promise.
Okay, we're going to add 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil.
We have 3/4 of a cup of pure pumpkin puree.
And then we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract along with 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then we're gonna add in 3 eggs.
You're gonna add.
Do you want me to?
I could try, but then all the shells go in, and then there's nothing like eating a muffin and you get a freaking shell in your
Crunchy. And now we will mix. Well, Leslie will mix while I wash my hands. Ooh, yes.
This is gonna be a hit.
While she's mixing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and add our cute little cupcake liners to our cupcake pan.
Do you see that?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Little pro tip, if you don't want your muffins to stick, I would suggest spraying each tin pan with non-stick spray. Okay, last we're gonna add in our dark chocolate chips, and we have a half a cup. So we're just gonna fold that into the mixture, and then we'll start scooping the mixture into our pan.
So are you a spoon licker, or is it like the raw egg is not good? I don't know.
I eat everything. I told you I was a fat
You'll
kid.
eat it.
I'm a fat
even
kid.
Raw? I mean, I grew up eating from the spoon, but then you think about it, you're like, there's a raw egg in there.
I know,
But
well,
guess
because
it's
I do egg whites. Like, even egg whites are in cocktails. So
Oh,
I think we were lied to. I'm pretty sure we were lied to. That's funny because all the cocktails I have egg whites. That's definitely raw. I know that for a fact.
That's a good point.
Okay, we're gonna start scooping. Do you want to be the scooper?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want a scooper. So I used to just use a regular spoon to scoop, but then I found that using an ice cream scooper is a lot easier, and it actually fits. It should fit perfectly in each of the spaces here.
That is perfect. Okay, keep going. And voila. Okay, so we were short 2. That is completely okay.
Yeah, probably could have done a little less per scoop. I just get excited.
We were just too excited.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and then we'll let them cool down, and then we can enjoy them. Okay, so now it is a taste test. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay.
I'm hungry too.
Cheers.
Wow, that's good. The chocolate is like spreading in my mouth right now.
I like the top is kind of crunchy.
Yeah, it does have like a
It's
harder
crispy.
texture, like a shell almost.
Mm.
I definitely taste the pumpkin, the spice, but it's not too sweet, which is one of my favorite things. When like a dessert's too sweet, it's hard to eat.
This would be really good, like breakfast on the go. There's protein in it. Yeah, pumpkin.
You get protein, carbs. The fat would be the coconut oil.
Healthy breakfast.
And honestly, I think one, maybe two, for like the on-the-go breakfast. I would eat this with like the, you know, the Chobani yogurts,
Yes.
and just like
Vanilla.
a vanilla or something.
Yeah, that would be really good with this.
Yeah.
Or even sugar-free whipped cream.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Like,
that
just
would be
put on
really
top.
good. Or even as a dessert, it's like a healthier option for a dessert, so you don't feel like too guilty.
I think it's time for a true taste test though.
Yes. I agree.
Okay, who are we gonna bring out?
We're gonna bring out a true taste tester, my fiance, Ariel. Babe. Babe.
You're on deck.
All right.
So, here we go. This
Why? It's just a random choice. Oh, sorry.
I'm so nervous.
Just expect he's critical.
They're healthy.
Give me 1 second. I got my glass. I can't see it. Okay. Oh, it's melted a little bit.
We're gonna talk about everything. The texture, the
Look,
looks,
it melted a little bit. You
Okay.
see that one?
the chocolate chips.
Yeah.
How's it smell?
Smells like oats.
Okay. Does it? You gotta do your testing thing. You have to be sincere. Okay, the fact that he took another bite is not so bad.
Yeah, I think we're getting somewhere.
Because if he didn't like it, he would have taken another. He would have been like, I'm done.
Really?
We're done.
No, it's good.
It's
good.
It's good. Okay.
It's good. It's not as sweet.
Yeah. Would you want it to be sweeter?
A little bit sweeter.
Oh.
But we didn't use sugar. Oh,
Yeah.
maple syrup.
Maple syrup was only-
vanilla
yeah.
extract. You like it?
Does it taste
Wow.
healthy?
It does taste healthy, right?
Very.
This could be like a good breakfast.
Not bad.
This is not bad. So now it's changing. Yeah, the fact that he's still eating it is good news.
It's good.
Yes.
I think it's Ariel approved. And you know, I mean, I don't know that you know, but if you've seen his videos
On her
on
channel.
my channel, he's very critical, and he's not shy to tell you if he doesn't like something.
It's good.
So, well,
The perfect recipe for the fall season coming up.
and if you're trying to stay healthier, or if you're tracking macros, I think this would be a good option because of the protein in it. That's my thought
Good
process.
carbs, good protein, good all around.
Good flavors, good vibe,
Fall recipe.
good fall recipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. But until next time, peace.
Hey,
Hi.
testing.
We're testing. We're testing.
No?
1,
Hello?
2, 3. Like 1. If you don't know already, Leslie has her own YouTube channel. I just touched your boob.
I didn't know if you were gonna go with it or just.
What are... So we'll have gluten-free rolled oat.
God.
Oh shit! We need assistance.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Thank you, babe. I don't know. Do I have chocolate on my lips?
Mm-mm.
I don't know.
What about me?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna bring out my fiance. Sorry, hold on.